everyone! So, welcome back to my vlog. Today, pumunta kami agad ng Hong Kong just to buy the iPhone Pro Max. However, yun nga, this is our second day and after a day of deciding with my friend, we've seen kasi yung iPhone Pro Max, yung first day namin pagdating namin, and I really don't like the feel of the iPhone Pro Max and the colors. Even though originally gusto ko yung orange sa mga nakikita kong videos, mas nagustuhan ko yung itsura talaga nitong iPhone Air. Una sa lahat kasi ang payat niya. And also, hindi naman kasi ako mahilig mag-video. As you can see, nagpapa-video lang talaga ako. And gusto ko lang yung iPhone Pro chip. So after deciding with Monique, ayan, we've decided to purchase the iPhone Air. And we're going to unbox it here sa store. Taran! Ayan na yung iPhone Air and kunwari may ASMR.
Tapos anin ko itong nababag. Basta lang naman ito. Satisfied na naman.
Ayan, so sobrang nipis talaga niya guys and sobrang excited ako. I got the gold color. Now, when I opened the box, nagulat ako. Usually kasi sanay ako na nakatalikod, di ba usually yung phone? Pero yung iPhone Air unboxing experience is parang nakaharap siya. Tapos, yung camera is nasa likod. And then, so medyo kakaiba lang siya when you pull the phone up. Pero ayan, I'm peeling off the screen protector. And sobrang satisfying talaga guys. The video does not do the phone justice kasi sobrang nipis talaga niya. I'm not sure if you remember the iPhone 6. Sobrang nipis na nga yun eh. Or yung mga iPads before. Or iPad Touch. Pero ito talaga sobrang nipis. The reason why I bought this is kasi ang subtle lang nung pagka-gold niya. And also, yung frame is polished yung titanium niya. Kaya I really like, mas gusto ko kasi to ever since yung iPhone 13. Mas gusto ko talaga yung polished look. What comes in the box, by the way, is just the longer strap or the long cable. And also, wala na siya yung pin kasi eSIM lang ang iPhone Air, guys. And so I also bought the case and parang sa sobrang nipis kasi nitong phone na to, parang ayaw ko talaga siyang lagyan na ng case and go caseless. Pero yun nga, mas okay din naman na safe kasi I'm getting clumsy as I age. Just to give you a background of the prices, guys, kaya kami pumunta ng Hong Kong. Yung phone itself is cheaper dito sa Hong Kong Apple Store. Kasi I think if you buy this in Power Mac here in the Philippines, parang nasa 72 or 73 siya. 73,000. Pero sa Hong Kong, 64 or 66,000 lang yung binayad ko dito, guys. Also, the case is around mga 2,000 pesos. If you buy an original Apple case in Power Mac, it ranges siguro mga 3,000 to 3,500 or 4,000. Or sometimes even I saw a 5,000 case. Pero this clear case is only 2,000 pesos when I bought it here in Hong Kong. Also, please do watch out for my iPhone Air versus iPhone Pro Max comparison. But thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!